Okay, today we're going to talk about plant and animal cells. Here on slide 2, we're going to watch this video real quick and then answer the questions below based on what we saw in the video.
Hi, plant cell.
Hi, animal cell.
What's wrong, plant cell?
You wouldn't understand. You're an animal cell and you have all the cool organelles. Unlike us little plant cells,
Come on, you can tell me.
I really don't want to talk about it.
What about cells? Maybe I can help.
All right, but you have to promise not to laugh.
Okay, I promise.
Well, I've never really told anyone this before, but I'm a square.
You mean that's supposed to be a secret? What a surprise.
Of course it's a secret. I've got this cell wall, that animal cells don't have, and it makes me all rigid and square. And it's not just me. I've got some pictures of my family here. Look, here's my brother Drew and my brother Ben. Look at them, both square. Here's my mom and dad. Check this out, square. Can you believe it? I'm beginning to think this is a big problem for plant cells. I think the government might even be involved.
Actually, the cell wall is not helping at all. It helps you stand up straight and tall so you can get sunlight and make food using photosynthesis. You even have a special organelle called a chloroplast that contains chlorophyll and helps with photosynthesis. Animal cells don't have that. Does that help at all? Do you feel better now?
How do you know all this? Has the government gotten to you? Are you wearing a wire?
You need to calm down. All I'm saying is that you have some special organelles that help you be the best plant you can be.
Maybe that does make me feel a little better.
Bullshit. Yeah, you just don't have to realize it was a job. Coffee to the last, that's right. I'm not fighting. Hi.
Can someone close Mom's door? I'm trying to do a recording. Close Mom's door, please. I'm recording.
It just means you have a true nucleus and you know the command center of the cell. It's what separates us from bacteria and stuff like that.
Take that bacteria. What else do you know?
Well, I know we both have vacuoles, the storage center of cells, except yours is a lot bigger than mine.
So you're calling me fat now? It never ends with you.
No, you just need to store more water than me. It is really exhausting talking. All I'm trying to tell you is that plant and animal cells really do have a lot in common, even though you have a couple of special organelles that I don't have.
Really? You think we have a lot in common? We should get together sometime. Maybe go watch some Justice. I hear it's beautiful this time of year.
Yeah, I gotta go now. Me and some other animal cells are gonna get together for a petition.
Okay. Well, I guess I'll see you around. Maybe you should know I'm a square.
All right, now that we've watched the video here, we're going to go into these questions and we're going to answer them. What is the function of a cell in a plant cell? What is the function of chloroplasts in a plant cell? And how are vacuoles different in plant and animal cells? Right here, you're going to tell me what organelles and cell walls are by reading the information here to the right. And same for the following here. You're going to tell me what a vacuole is, photosynthesis, and chloroplast is based on your reading material here on slide 4. For slide 5, you're going to read the questions and give me the best answer. You're going to highlight it, make it bold, underline it, whatever you can do that distinguishes it to make it its best possible answer. Right here, this slide and the next slide depicts two different types of cells. This is a diagram of a plant cell. Make some observations of what you see. This is an animal cell. Make observations of what you see and how this cell is different from a plant cell. So in slide 6, you're going to tell me some of the things that you see that is specific for the plant cell. And then you're going to tell me on slide 7 some things that are specific to the animal cell. And then you're going to tell me how this cell is different from the plant cell. On slide 8 here, you're going to take and you're going to tell me there are 3 main important differences between plant and animal cells. Plant cells have a cell wall for protection and structure. Plant cells have chloroplasts where photosynthesis happens and energy is created. Plant cells have larger vacuoles for food and water storage. Each of these examples are examples of organelles, small objects that perform specific jobs within the cell. There are many more examples of organelles listed on the next page. Look around you. Describe or use the sketch tool to draw 3 objects in the room that can be compared to organelles in function. For example, a vacuole stores food and nutrients. So find some place that would store food or nutrients, such as a lunchbox. For Explore It Part 4, these are our vocabulary words for you to refer back to. For slide 10, you're going to take and you're going to drag and match to the proper box here. It says these organelles are all found in both plant cells and animal cells, except for 2, which are only found in plant cells. Identify the organelles that are found only in the plant cells and which are found in both plant cells and animal cells. So you're going to identify which ones belong to just plants, and then the rest will be both. So now you're going to illustrate it. You're going to tell me one difference between animal cells and plant cells, and then you're going to tell me another difference between the animals and plant cells here. You're going to describe the organelle differences between each of them, okay? And then on the next one here, you're going to take and answer these questions. One is which organelle is only found in plant cells? Chloroplast, cell membrane, nucleus, or mitochondria. 2, what is the function of the nucleus in plant and animal cells? Produces all the power of the cell, creates proteins within the cell, control all cell activities, contains DNA, or allows things in and out of the cell. Which structure allows gases and nutrients in and out of the cell? A, mitochondria, B, cytoplasm, C, nucleus, D, cell wall. Right here, you're going to look at your vocabulary words right here, and you're going to determine where they best fit at. And that is all for today.